Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get Spotify AI DJ. So go for your Spotify app. Now go for in this bell icon. Go for in this music option. So if you see here a DJ music, then you can just go for it and play it, but you don't have the DJ option here like me. So this is because you can't have the premium feature. So this AI DJ is the premium feature on Spotify. If you have the premium, then you can get the AI DJ. So all you need to do is go for in this premium option, and you have to buy the premium, or you can get the free for 1 month. After that you can get the premium feature and you can get the AI DJ. So if you have the premium but still you can't see the AI DJ here, so you have to go for your Play Store and search, and you have to just update your Spotify. After that, you can see your AI DJ on your Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.